Hello guys, Wheelie Rider here again today, and as you can see with the condition of this box, I already looked at it, but hey, welcome to my unboxing video here. Here's a beautiful little case that it's very quality, that comes with the HOGUE SIG SAUER X1 MICROFLIP knife. Really nice little case here. So what else you get in this box is one of my favorite things right here. You get a little flavor packet. I don't know what flavor this is, but those are always good. That's when you know you're getting a quality product. Disclaimer, please don't eat that. Anyways, you get a HOGUE knives sticker. And then also you get like a little manual how-to as far as like maintenance and stuff, which basically consists of a little bit of oil on the blade and just retighten any little bolts on it and she'll be good to go. And your typical blade sharpening, which I don't mind doing. The blade is a 2 3/4 inch corrosion resistant, heat treated 154 stainless steel. And now moving on to the actual knife here. Alright, so here's one thing I'd like to point out, is it has a ambidextrous stainless steel clip. You can put it on each side here. Originally it comes for like a right-handed person, just another cool little feature. It also has a push button lock with a manual safety. So some quick specs about this is fully opened it's 6.6 inches long, closed it's 3.85 inches long. The blade is 2 3/4 inches long. And this particular model on the website was $204 or $204.95. You can usually find them between 150 to 200 plus or so. But here's a little test on some little thin cardboard. But yeah, it's pretty wicked quality. Yeah, very quality. No, but seriously, it's a really simple kind of knife, manual little flip type thing, not spring assisted. But the thing is, what is here is really quality, and I'll show you more later in the video. But it's nice and simple and very sturdy and pretty sweet. Really sharp too, right from factory. She's pretty sharp. So, like SIG SAUER made a really good name for themselves. So for them to be partnering up with HOGUE knives to make these, you gotta understand they will be a pretty nice piece. And it's pretty cool that a lot of the knives go with the guns and stuff, especially the K320 knife and the P320 firearm. And check this out, you can even open snacks with it. No problem. No freaking problem. There she is again. Oh yeah, big thumbs up. And then you got a 300 plus pound trucker bod standing on it, and it still worked out pretty good. This just means this thing don't mess around, mister. I'll tell you what. It's pretty sweet. So after my my whole day of messing around with this thing, this is the end result. Even with me putting a lot of pressure on it, you know, she's still freaking mint. This is one of those purchases where how you spend a little extra money, you feel a little bit of a difference. You're not just throwing out your money when you buy something like this. So I'll just let you guys enjoy one last look at this, and I'll do the outro here in a second.